Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. So today I got me another mosquito repellent product. This is by the same company that I just did a video like just yesterday by Thermacell. I'm guessing they're really like the leader in mosquito repellent because here they are, another product. Now this product is a little bit different than the previous one that I did. This one right here is a rechargeable mosquito repellent. The other one, I needed fuel in order to light up, to heat up the mats so that it can create the barrier. But this one right here is rechargeable, so I'm interested in this one. So let's see. This is my first time seeing this product, by the way. They did not pay me to do this video at all. So we're gonna look at this thing together today. All right, okay, so I was wrong. It still has fuel because there's this right here that you still need to like refill and stuff like that. Okay. It says it's rechargeable, so this is a micro USB that recharges it. That's cool. And look at this. This is kind of cute, actually. I say cute. The port to charge is down here. There's a button right here, which I'm assuming to turn it on and off. Let's see here. Okay, so I just popped this thing open. Oh, okay. So it says remove before use. Okay, so basically, I believe this right here is the contact that goes over here. So when you put that thing on there, it contacts it. All right. And it looks like this hole right here fits this fuel. Okay, so I think I figured this thing out. You actually don't plug this into the top. You just put this thing in here like this. That's it. And then there's a magnet that you just click and that's it. So now what I do, I just press this button, I'm assuming. Okay, so there's two lights. Oh, there's lights all over actually. All right, let's see, let's let it do its thing. Yeah, don't try to install that thing on with the top because it'll spill out, which is what happened to me. Okay, so I can definitely see the smoke coming out of here. I'm not sure if you can see it in the camera, but slight smoke coming out of there. You see that? So you can definitely see it working. This thing right here, you see how it's spinning like that? Basically the instruction is saying that it's warming up. And then it should just stop spinning, and that's when you know it's actively working. But right now I can already see that it's working because I can actually see the little smoke that's coming out now. You see that? Okay, well, there you go. This light also is supposed to help you see the battery indicator. So I'm assuming when I press this, yeah, I see 2 right here. That means that the battery is like halfway because it's supposed to be 3 indicator on there to tell me that the battery's full. So okay, that's cool. I'm gonna plug this thing in and charge it, and then I'm probably gonna try to use it outdoor, and I'll make an update video to see if it actually works or not. Okay, all right, that's it guys. That's my unboxing for these Thermacell, I guess they call it the intelligent mosquito defense product that they have here. Pretty cool. This one is a rechargeable, and yeah, that's it for me right there. I want to see you guys in the next episode. Have a good one. Bye bye.